Hello everybody. This is a quick one take video based on the YouTube short I created of this simple beginner friendly budget template. So let's recreate this today and hopefully you guys can follow along and you've got something there that can aid you in your budgeting. Right, so if we start from the top, lovely title there, salary, expenses, and then we're going to list all of our expenses here. Now, mind you, you can put anything you like here, anything that's relevant to you, please feel free. Um, and then once we've got that, so we'll just go with the same ones I had on my previous, the completed version of our sheet here. And then after that, we want total expenses and then a remaining amount. Just expand that out. Savings, guilt-free spending. Here again, if you'd like different categories to allocate the remaining amount you have left, feel free to add a few more here. But I've just gone with savings and guilt-free spending amount there just to keep things simple. Right, so, punch in your numbers here in terms of your salary, let's say 5,000. Rent, let's just say, I don't know, 1,000, utilities 500, internet 20, food, a phone rather 40, food, let's say 500, entertainment, let's say 500 because you love going to watch, the latest shows. Right, so now once you get down to the total expenses column, we want to go equal sum, open brackets, as you can see there. Then we're going to go up to the top here and then drag all these down. So we go B5 to B10 or wherever all of your expenses conclude. Hit enter there, and that will give us our equals sum B5 to B10, close brackets. So that's our total expenses there. Now for the amount remaining, we want our expenses to be deducted from our salary. So it's equals the cell that is your salary, take away the total expenses. That's the amount we've got remaining here. Now this bit is up to you, but we're just going to, so the allocation of percentages is up to you in this case, but we're going to go with 70% going to savings and 30% going to guilt-free spending money, but feel free to adjust this, but I'll show you how to do that now. So we're going to go B13 being the remaining column, row. I hit F4 here, so the key F4 to lock it in because we're going to be using that for the same, we're going to be locking in that cell in this formula and we're timesing that by 0.7 for 70%. Now, Control D drags that formula down, or you can just copy it down, copy and paste it down. So Control C, Control V, or highlight the column underneath or the row underneath and Control D. Both work. And now we're going to amend this 0.7 for the guilt-free spending to 0.3. So we've got our 30% and our 100%, 70% to create our 100% for our lovely guilt-free spending money. And that's how you do your basic budget. Hopefully that's very helpful for you. I will be coming out shortly with more content. If you do enjoy what I've put on show here, please do give us a like. It lets us know that it's actually helpful, and give us a subscribe as well. I'll be coming out with more things, all personal, finance related, budget related, forecasting, you name it, anything to do with Excel. We'll be looking to create. So thank you very much for listening, and hopefully you learned something today. All the best.